Hi, this is Auditor Krishnan. So in this video we are going to see CA final old syllabus law blueprint for November 20 examination. Before we are moving into the subject, just take a minute and pray for Tamil Nadu, especially for Chennai. Okay, because we are having a huge damage. Just now our apartment's compound wall just fallen, and already 3 or 4 trees got fallen. One tree got on the car itself, someone's car. So I don't know how much huge damage we'll be seeing tonight. So just pray for especially Chennai. We are already flooded enough. So just pray for all the students from Chennai. And I hope, since huge current cut etc is going here and no public transport, ICA should take steps for postponing the examination for one more subject also, for IPC as well as final. Okay, now we will move into the subject. If you have not yet subscribed for my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe for the channel. We'll go into the subject now. The first thing is the paper should be a very lengthy paper. You will be having minimum of 15 questions in your paper. 15 questions you can have in your paper. So they will break like 3 marks, 4 marks, 5 marks, 6 marks, 8 marks. So many questions you will be having. But the paper will be very easy. Okay, mostly repeated questions may come. That's what my guess. And you can expect a high pass percentage. Okay, for old syllabus, my gut feel is 25% pass percentage is possible. That is my gut feel. And they will cover all the chapters in the 6 questions. So you also have like 2 integrated case studies with 2 marks question and 1 marks question. So integrated case studies will come for approximately 18 marks, like 16 to 18 marks it will come, integrated case study. Mostly you can expect integrated case studies from directors, meetings and KMP and IBC. In these 3 chapters you can expect that integrated case study, and other chapters we will be seeing one by one. So 2 marks case studies will be from FEMA, banking, investigation, NCLT, competition. 1 mark case studies may be from competition, SURFACE, audit and auditors, interpretation of statutes. Then descriptive questions, you will be having 84 marks totally. So 6 into 14 marks is equal to 84, and you have to answer 1 plus 4, that is 5 questions you will have to answer. And high weightage is for meetings, directors, KMP, books or auditors. Any one of that will come for either 6 to 8 marks. And obviously you will be knowing dividends and IBC. Okay, so this is from corporate angle. From allied angle, PMLA, SURFACE, mandatory you study. It's a very small topic and high weightage topic. SEBI, since ICDR has been removed and there is no LODR for you, SEBI is very small topic for you. So please read SEBI also. If at all you want to give a choice, leave SCRA, but read only the penalties from SCRA. Okay, and past examination 3-4 questions you study from SCRA. Okay, then so each questions I told from 3 marks also they may ask. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, all this combination of questions they may ask. So they will ask from each and every chapters. Then sir, allied laws, can there be separate question or it will be asked in every question? Allied laws will be a sub part of the question in each questions. I think if you are lucky, allied law question will not be in compulsory. Otherwise, allied law question will be there in all sub parts. So if you are very lucky, IBC questions will come from RTP MTP, and winding up questions will come from RTP MTP. Okay, penalties don't give much importance. And my request, okay, please underline this, my request, the MTP what ICI released in May 20 and November 20, I don't think so that is your examination pattern for old syllabus. For new syllabus okay, but for old syllabus the ICI MTP, that is mock test paper, I cannot even think that kind of pattern question paper will come. Because if you see that MTP, it is a new syllabus based MTP. Okay, and very least importance is given for allied laws. Okay, just see that very less importance is given for allied laws. More importance is given only for the corporate law and IBC. So I don't think that kind of question paper will come. Allied laws will come for more, and expect more number of questions. At though means like in MTP there are very less number of questions. Many chapters is not touched in MTP. That is I say released MTP. So I don't think that will come for you. You can expect a very high, number of questions is high, and all chapters will be covered. And what chapters penalties you can expect? FEMA, SEBI and competition. From this chapters penalties may come, and obviously offenses and penalties chapter. Then can any chapters be omitted? See, I don't think any chapters be omitted. Even from registered valuers, strike off of companies, okay, questions may come. So those are actually least importance, NCLT, registered valuers. But even from that, you can expect question. Okay, all the chapters either it will be covered in MCQ or it will be covered in descriptive. If at all for your satisfaction, if you want to leave IRDA. Okay, just close your eyes and leave IRDA. Insurance, don't give much importance. Okay, banking, don't give much importance. Winding up, just see past examination question, RTP, MTP, that is enough for winding up per se. So this is what my gut feel of blueprint of the November 20 old syllabus law question paper. Kindly comment your how you like this video, or what suggestions you have this video. Share with your friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.